In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change username in Leonardo AI Desktop. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app on your desktop and make sure you're on the main interface. This is where you can access your account controls and profile options. If you're already signed in, you can move straight to the next part. Once you're inside the app, look for the Settings option and click on it. Settings is where Leonardo AI keeps your account preferences and personal details, so this is the right place to go whenever you want to update information connected to your profile. After that, click on Your Profile. This section contains the details that are visible as part of your account, including the username currently assigned to you. Opening your profile is important because it takes you directly to the area where your account identity can be edited. Now, go to the username field. Take a moment to make sure you're editing the correct box, especially if there are multiple profile fields on the page. Your username is usually the name other people may see when interacting with your account, so it's a good idea to choose something accurate and easy to recognize. Next, type in your new username and then press Enter on your keyboard. Pressing Enter confirms the change and updates the username in your profile. If the username is available and accepted by the platform, your update should go through right away. If the change doesn't save immediately, double-check the spelling and make sure the username follows any platform rules, such as character limits or restricted symbols. It can also help to wait a moment and confirm that the updated name appears correctly on the page after submitting it. And that's all it takes to change your